Now we're going to add a glow, and I'm going to add a glow to this text here. So I'm going to select it and come back into my effects here, and we've got a choice of an outer or inner glow. I'm going to deal with an outer glow here, and here you can just take it and apply to the text. Now you may be able to see it a little bit white around it here, but as I move this out like that, you can really see the effect by spreading it more. You can change the color again, make the glow any color you want, red or one of our olive colors like that, and again change how it interacts with the image below. We can multiply it, hard light, difference, luminosity, all changes it. I'm just going to go back to multiply, but I'm going to change it to paper, clicking OK. Actually, I'm going to choose normal and then scale it back a little bit like this. Again, something you can add noise to like that. And it's maybe one of the effects where the noise doesn't look too bad. I'm not really keen on it myself, but we'll put it back in. Change the size of it, how it goes out like that. And you've got a precise one and a softer one. The softer one normally gives a nice little glow behind it. Adjust the opacity, and that really makes the text stand out like that. So I'm going to click on OK like that. And one thing you may come across is when we applied it, notice it didn't actually apply it to the frame, it applied it to the text. Well, let me undo what we just did there and take it away. The reason it does that is it's smart enough to know that when there is no fill to this box, then it'll automatically apply it to the text. However, if I had a fill on this, and let me just make it a yellow fill like that, I'll screen it back a little bit so it doesn't blind us, like that, and then I'd gone through and chosen outer glow, and you would see when I spread it out here, it's not applying it to the text, it's applying it to the fill. So I would have to go through in this case and choose text to have the glow applied to it. I'll cancel out of here, undo that a couple of times. We get just back to the text, come through outer glow, and if I want to just make sure, I could just apply it to the text like that, and then just make whatever adjustments I want here. Switch over to normal mode. Up the opacity a little bit like that. Spread it out. And we'll click on OK. So we've got a subtle glow around that one. It may not show up too well on a small screen, but we've got it in there. And in the next movie, we'll take a look at adding some effects to this white box here.